The growing trend from mechanical keyboards, admired by typists and gamers alike for their durability, satisfying feel, and superior performance, mirrors the rise in popularity of Adirondack chairs for outdoor living. These classic, stylish chairs offer comfort, weather resistance, and timeless charm. This guide lists Nunu Lab Outdoor Adirondack Chair Set of 4 HDPE Plastic Patio Chairs for All Weather. The Nunu Lab Adirondack Chair Set combines elegance with durability. Made from HDPE plastic, these chairs are designed to withstand all weather conditions, from sun to snow, without fading, cracking, or splintering. This set of 4 provides plenty of seating for gatherings, and the classic design complements any patio, garden, or poolside. They are also low maintenance and easy to clean with just soap and water. Perfect for homeowners looking for long-lasting outdoor furniture that's both functional and stylish. List number: Trigol Adirondack Chair Set of 4 All-Weather Plastic Adirondack Chairs, Fire Pit Chairs with Cup Holder, Outdoor Lawn Chair for Patio. The Trigol Adirondack Chair Set is a great choice for anyone who loves to relax by the fire pit. This set of 4 features built-in cup holders, a thoughtful touch that keeps your drink within reach. Crafted from all-weather plastic, these chairs resist moisture, UV rays, and wear, ensuring they look great season after season. They're easy to assemble and lightweight enough to move around, but sturdy enough to feel secure. Ideal for cozy evenings or sunny afternoons outdoors. List number: Surwall Outdoor Adirondack Dining Chair Set of 2 All-Weather HDPE Patio Chairs, Gray. For a more compact option, the Surwall Adirondack Dining Chair Set of 2 is perfect for patios or smaller spaces. Made from weather-resistant HDPE material, these chairs are built to last and maintain their attractive gray finish, even with heavy use. Their slightly elevated seat design also makes them suitable for dining tables, as well as casual lounging. Sturdy, elegant, and easy to clean, these chairs deliver great comfort and style, making them an excellent addition to any outdoor dining or relaxation area. List 4 Vingley Plastic Adirondack Chairs Set of 4 Folding with Cup Holder, Waterproof HDPE Material. The Vingley Adirondack chairs are a versatile and practical choice, featuring a folding design for easy storage when not in use. This set of 4 includes integrated cup holders and is made from waterproof HDPE material that resists the elements and cleans up easily. Perfect for seasonal use or permanent placement. These chairs strike a nice balance between durability and convenience. Their portability also makes them great for events, camping, or extra seating when guests arrive. List 5 Flash Furniture Charlestown Poly-Resin Adirondack Chair, Gray All-Weather Indoor-Outdoor. For a single high-quality chair option, the Flash Furniture Charlestown Adirondack is a standout. Constructed from durable poly-resin, it provides the classic Adirondack look with excellent resistance to weather and wear. The all-weather material ensures it stays beautiful indoors or outdoors, and the neutral gray color blends seamlessly with any decor. Comfortable, sturdy, and low maintenance, it's a perfect choice if you want a reliable, stylish chair without committing to a full set.